So up till now, I've been showing you gears that can multiply speed and also multiply the force. This is a force multiplier, and we've worked out before that this has a ratio of 1 to 5 because that's got 8 teeth and this has got 40 teeth. Now, if you look, I've actually got another 8 tooth gear on top of this. Up until now, we've just been doing simple gears or simple gear trains where all the gears are kind of on the same plane and they're all interacting with each other sort of in a line like that. In a compound gear train, we end up with one axle turning a second axle, which turns a third axle, with another different gear attached to the big gear. So if I put another one of these on here like so that it meshes with the top one, you can see that that one on the right, this one here, turns very slowly compared to the other ones. Now to work out the ratio here, I actually need to multiply both ratios together.
This ratio is 5 to 1. This other ratio is also 5 to 1. So to find out the resultant ratio, I need to multiply the 5's together and the 1's together. 5 times 5 is 25. And 1 times 1, I believe, is 1. So overall, I get a ratio of 25:1.
That means this here on the left is going to turn around 25 times. Sorry, they're not meshing very well because I don't have anything holding them steady at the top. I'd have to turn that 25 times to get the big cog over here to turn around once. But this has much more force and there's no hope. I've got no hope of stopping that from turning. I can grab that as hard as I want and there's no way I can stop it because this hand is now 25 times stronger. Isn't that cool? So this is the basis for how clocks work. It's the base, like how do they have one hand going around once an hour and the other one takes 12 hours to go around? That's, because they've got gears with a ratio that allows them to do that. So compound gear train, you can see we've got a gear turning a gear, which has another gear attached to the same axle, which turns this here. If I turn this one, if I make this the driving gear, it's a bit sticky, but you can see the black one really. Ooh, done.